Hello everybody! Today we have this reading Frogs in Love, Romeo and Juliet. Romeo the frog spent 10 years alone in a museum in Bolivia. Come on, repeat after me. He is a Sewenka's frog, and for a long time, scientists at the museum thought that Romeo was the only Sewenka's frog in the world. Practice. A lot of these frogs have died because of deforestation, and a deadly disease has taken the lives of many others. Come on, repeat after me. The scientists wanted to find a mate for Romeo. They even set up a profile for him on match.com. Okay. Well, next paragraph. In 2018, some scientists went to the Bolivian forest to look for a partner for Romeo. They looked in many streams, but they couldn't find any frogs. They grew tired, wet, and disappointed. They decided to check one more stream before going home. Repeat after me. And then they found a Sewenka's frog beside a waterfall. This frog was male, but they returned the next day and found 4 more frogs, 2 male and 2 female. One of the females was the right age to mate. The conservationist called her Juliet. Well, now we are going to read all the paragraph. Are you ready? The scientists didn't let Romeo and Juliet meet at first. They needed to check that Juliet didn't have a disease. But finally, they put the 2 frogs together. At first, Romeo seemed nervous, but soon he swam to Juliet, and then he did a funny dance, shaking his toes. Then he put his arms and legs around her and made a really loud call. Come on, let's do it. Let's practice. Well, in this last paragraph, Juliet hasn't laid any eggs yet, but scientists hope she will. That way, they can learn more about these frogs and help to protect them in the forest. But they know it won't be easy. For frogs to mate, the temperature and the water quality must be perfect. They also only mate when it's raining. So the scientists had to put a special rain equipment in their tank. However, the scientists aren't too worried if Romeo and Juliet don't mate, because they have the 4 other frogs. And they are happy that Romeo isn't lonely anymore. Well, now this is a reading comprehension. So, are you ready for some questions? about this Romeo and Juliet reading? Come on, let's do it. Let's take this reading test. Page 1, question 1. Romeo is the only sequence frog in the world? Well, write in the comments if it's true or false. This is the question number 2. Sequence frogs are dying for several reasons. Okay, come on. What do you say? True or false? Number 3. The scientists found 4 sequence frogs in the forest in total. What's your answer? True or false? Number 4. Juliet is a female sequence frog, which is the right age to mate. Remember to write your answers in the comments and we'll give you a correct feedback. Question 5. The scientists put Romeo and Juliet together immediately. Question 6. Romeo hasn't touched Juliet yet because he is too nervous. A or B? Well, number 7. Frogs only mate when the temperature and weather are right. And the last one, 8. The other frogs from the forest are too old to mate. We have only 2 options, true or false. Please answer your correct options 1 to 8 in the comments and we'll send you or we'll give you or we'll post to you the correct answers. Well, that's all for today. Have a good day. See you in the next time.